Greetings and welcome to this tutorial. If you're switching from Microsoft Edge to Firefox, you probably want to keep your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of importing your browsing data from Edge into Firefox. Let's begin with the first step. Open your Firefox browser on your computer. Next, click on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the Firefox window. From the menu, choose Settings to open Firefox's Preferences page. Then, under the General section, scroll down until you find the Import Browser Data option. Click on Import Data to proceed. Now, a new window will appear. From the list of available browsers, select Microsoft Edge. After selecting Edge, you'll see a list of available data in your browser such as Favorites, Browsing History. Choose the types of data you want to import, then click the Import button. Wait a few seconds. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done. That's it. You've successfully imported your data from Edge into Firefox. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more helpful tech tips, consider subscribing to the channel and checking out our other videos.